think you could get the pendant from your father before the timer goes to 0?
Yeah, I think so.
I have a feeling there's something inside this, and the pendant is the key.
Whoa, where do you think you're going?
I was gonna take this to my father.
I don't think so, Vaughn. I say we keep the device here.
Lucas, if the device was meant for Vaughn, he should have some say in how we use it.
Lucas, I know you don't trust me. And if you don't want to move past that, that's fine. That's your thing. But I need to show this to my father. I mean, he won't just believe that I found it. I want to see it for himself.
We've got less than 14 minutes.
How is Vaughn gonna get the pendant if he doesn't show Victor the device?
There's a safe behind a painting in your father's office.
What?
I think your pendant is in there. Remember when I messed around with my glasses and got that freaky supervision? I saw the safe in Victor's office and I think the pendant. The painting's near your father's desk.
We've got 13 minutes left.
No time to argue. If you run, you should be able to get the pendant and make it back in time. One more thing, just to be safe. Under no circumstances are you to tell your father about this device.
Okay. You think he'll keep his word?
He's a Pearson. You do the math. What's the combination?
01 16 61. Your mother's birthday. Oh, and you'll need this as well. What could possibly be of interest to you in my safe?
Dad.
You're sweating, Vaughn. Everything okay?
Listen, I know about the pendant, Dad. The one Mom left for me as a gift, and I want it.
How do you know about that pendant?
Listen, Dad, this isn't important right now. I just need it.
Before you said want, now you're saying need. How did you find out about it?
This is gonna sound crazy. Josie saw Mom give it to me in a dream.
Josie Trent, again. Who could have imagined that one little girl could cause me so much consternation? It's true. Your mother did give this to me for safekeeping.
Why didn't you tell me?
I didn't know if you were ready to have it. Until now. Now you tell me why you really need it.
Right. You know, I'm at the school right now. My friends are waiting for me, Dad. And I'd really like to have that pendant. I mean, Mom left it for me as a gift. I'd really like to have it.
Fine.
Thanks. I'll take good care of it.
I know you will. That's why I'm giving it to you.
Listen, I'm late for something. I gotta run.
He's not gonna make it.
Yes, he is.
Got it.
Your dad gave it to you, just like that.
Oh, no, it took a little convincing.
You know, I'm almost impressed. Let's put that sucker in the other sucker and see what these suckers do.
You really got to spend less time with that band of yours.
Is that a good thing?
Guys, that's my mom.
Vaughn, thank you. I know it's been a long time since the accident. I sent this to you as soon as I could in the hope that you would find it. I just want you to know that I love you, and I miss you very much. Today I will return to you and your father and explain everything that's happened. For now, Leave the pendant in the device so I know you got the message. When the timer counts down to 0, there's an automatic telemetry unit inside that will bring it to me.
Guys, my mom's still alive.
I don't know, Vaughn.
And one last thing. Make sure the device is outside with plenty of space overhead when the timer goes to 0. And Vaughn, whatever happens, never forget how much I love you.
I think we need to get it outside.
Wait a minute. Let's say we see where it goes. 90 seconds left. Guys, help me get this gear set up.
"70 seconds.
Done. You made it.
Josie?
What are you doing?
There's something about that hologram message, something that doesn't seem right to me.
What?
I mean, Vaughn, how do we know it's really your mom? What if it's some kind of trick to get the pendant? I'm just saying, maybe if it's that important, we should just hold on to it.
Josie, you heard my mom. If she gets that, she'll know that I'm okay.
55 seconds.
You know, she could be right.
But she might not.
Is this always gonna be our problem? Trust? Listen, guys, sooner or later, we're gonna have to decide if we can trust each other or not.
I've made up my mind. I'm voting in favor of sending the pendant back.
Me too.
Okay, Vaughn.
Thanks.
15 seconds, Vaughn. Everybody stand back.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Marshall, did we get it?
Tracking it. 600 feet. 700. 850.
Marshall?
It's gone. Just disappeared.
Hey, Lucas. Thanks.
Sure.
Vaughn, are you all right?
Yeah.
Lucas, I don't understand you sometimes.
That's kind of our story, isn't it?
I still don't understand why you let Vaughn have the pendant. I thought you didn't trust him.
I don't know. Something he said made sense. I know he's in a difficult situation with his father and family loyalty. But did you see his face when he saw his mother in that hologram? I guess I'd feel the same way if I was in his situation. I'm beginning to think that maybe I've been wrong about it. Maybe he isn't as much like his father as I thought.
Okay, who are you, and what have you done with Lucas?
Don't get me wrong. I'm still not sure we did the right thing.
I guess we'll find out.
Is it just me, or do you get the feeling that there's something going on about Josie and Vaughn?
It's not exactly a secret, you know.
I don't mean that. I mean a connection of some kind. Maybe even more than they're aware of.
It could be. All I know is, the more we learn, stranger things get.